broad overgeneralizations, which I don't like. But let's just say that we go on board with the whole demo argument, because that's essentially what you're saying, right?
Go!
And we all know that, those of us who worked in TV news, there's a specific kind of lead-in you're going to have at 4 o'clock after the Ellen show versus what you're going to do at 5. You're trying to maintain a certain audience. You want the people who are paying the most money in a household to be watching. So I always got the, how does this suburban soccer mom care about this? I always had to pitch my stories that way. You know, or not, I don't want to say always, but that was definitely, if I couldn't figure out how to get the suburban soccer mom to watch, then, you know, I was already starting off on one foot. But then you ask yourself, well, like, what people care about often can be shaped by what messages they're given, right? So it's like, do people care about things because they just don't care, or because we in our industry tell them that they shouldn't care or they should care? And it seemed like your boss was not necessarily like asking that particular question, or at least that wasn't, you know, it was just like, well, this is what we feel like matters to the people that we have decided we know how they think, and so we're only going to give this kind of information. But you can see how it's like, is it a chicken or the egg argument? Are we driving public discussion? Are we driving public values? And by virtue